Hey everyone, and today I will show you how to make Hoot Owl Hoot Game with paper. This is new on YouTube and it's really very fun to play. So there will be 6 owl tokens. I'm gonna play with 3 owl tokens because it will be a lot more easier, and there will be 1 sun token. If you are able to help all the owls to reach their destinations, in their nest, then you will be the winner. However, there will be 14 sun cards and 36 color cards. Now shuffle the cards and keep the cards like this. There will be 3 cards in a row, and I'm gonna play with my sister. It's a multiplayer game. You can play with your family, friends. So now let's see who will be the winner, me and my sister or the board. Oh no, I get a sun card. So remember that if you will get a sun card, you must play that card and replace the card with a new card. My sister takes a blue card, and now I'm taking this owl to the next blue card. Then I take the orange card and replacing with a new card. Again, my sister is taking the red color card. So that's basically how to play. It's very interesting. And remember that you have to be quite intelligent while playing this game. So after a few minutes, you can see that the sun is almost rising and none of the owls are in their nest. Oh no, we both get a sun card and we must have to play that. However, the duration of the game is 15 to 20 minutes, which is not more, and it's really very interesting. Moreover, if you are playing for the first time, then you must play with 3 owls. And for level 2, if you want to play a lot more challenging, then you can play with 6 owls, because that's quite difficult. So the sun is almost rising and only 1 owl is in the nest. So let's see who will be the winner. And finally, the second owl is also in the nest and just 1 owl remains. Oh no, my sister got a sun card again. And I've got a pink card. So my sister have to play the sun card, and I play the pink card and again replacing the card. And finally my sister got a pink card and we won the game. So the game was really very fun and amazing. You must try this at home. Now I'm gonna play with 6 owls. If you want to play a lot more challenging, then you may try this. But you can see that we lose the game. So that was very difficult and very fun. So hope you will try it at home. And if you like the video, then make sure to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And press the bell icon for notifications. So let's get started.